Alright, today we're gonna learn tanincide. I think that's what it's called. Okay, here it is. That's tanincide. It's like 2 yo-yo mini gen or tail whip suicide. Okay, here's the first version you have to learn. Basically, I will teach you this. You see, I don't swing the stick. I don't like. It doesn't leave my hand. It just switches hands. Okay, so first thing you have to know is the right hand magic knot on W. So it's just magic knot on your right hand, as you can see. Wow, it comes off. Okay, yep, that's the right hand magic knot. It's just magic knot on your right hand. Not that hard. All right. So now it's gotta go behind the left string. Okay, boom, push, front hand loop. Okay, I'll show you a little closer. So that magic knot, then do behind. This one could be pretty fast. Right hand loop. I did it. You can't really see it. That's pretty fast. And you're gonna like swing that into the stick, and then push that stick down. Switch hands and mini gen. Yep, I did it right there. Good. Okay. So here's the next, or here's a recap version of what I just did. Boom, boom. To get out is a front vortex and loop, and then front vortex again. Okay. So here is the little bit more advanced version. It's not gonna come off my hand though, but you just like give it more momentum by swinging. So boom, swing, switch hands, do the thing, get out. So front vortex, and then right hook, and then front vortex again. All right, here's the finale, tanincide. I think that's what they called it. Boom, 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 bam. Just do that. Yeah, yeah, you got it. It's pretty, not too bad.